So this is the one where the pilot gave you guys an interesting run-in. I mean, I don't know about the cup, but there's no flaps at all. I don't know what he normally does for a run-in, but certainly looks super interesting for you guys. Yeah, bit of a challenge. There will come a time when you'll feel it as you're climbing out and you'll make adjustments so that you can actually deal with it, but it's super challenging, I get it. And good little reframe afterwards as well. Reset, rather. Good little reset. Because you only do this jump once, I'm going to go ahead and give the debrief on the 6. What we want is we want around top of the block where everyone feels like they are completely stationary and not moving away from each other. So you've got light grips, looking at each other and maintaining the distance. So Alison and Sunny, when the key comes, we want your center points to stay still. So do what you have to do in order for that to happen. So stay still, do not allow your center points to move apart. You see that, how that's happening straight away. And then Mike and Holly, you two need to come through that gap in the center. You need to change places. So Holly's going to be moving to a donut where Mike is, and Mike's going to be moving to a donut where Holly is. And there's the center point, so I'll just run the video from here. Can you see what's going on? You guys are avoiding each other, and you've got a lot of space now between Alison and Sunny. So put the cursor back in the center. Cool. All right, so that's the key thing there. The build, feeling like you can be neutral or ready to make the move in the right direction. It might neutral, but also maybe a little bit of pressure to the center, just a fraction, so that we don't get any separation. Okay, I really like this little random page here. That's awesome. There's 2 randoms there that go from the 6, H, F. That's pro work right there. The way, I know they're simple randoms, but the way you're doing them, as in the way you're keeping your hands, look, off the blocks, off the grips here, off. There's air blowing through the formation. You're all in a really good neutral body position. And then the grips are right there. Now it's an F, but it could be anything. It could be a G, it could be a Q, whatever. That's how you want to do every single random, just like that. Now, this is how you don't want to do the random. On the build to the top of the block, we've got our route map in front of us. We've got the center line that runs between Sunny and Alison's center point there. We want Holly and Mike to put it right in between that line, so perpendicular to that line. See, Holly had that little bit off angle there, just a tiny bit, and then it's a little bit wide. So we need you guys to build it on the line and make sure that everyone can stay in a good body position when they pick up the grip. And then don't pick up the grip unless you can maintain a good body position. Because, yeah, stuff like that happens. And then it's really hard to debrief the block because we don't go from a good solid stance. So I know it was a short jump. I know you had some hassles on the exit, but I think it's good that we can draw something from it.